Microsoft Teams is a communication platform that acts as a hub within Microsoft 365. But if you want to change the language on Microsoft Teams, here's what you can do. Start by launching Microsoft Teams on your device and sign in with your account. Now to change the language in Microsoft Teams, click on More Options or the three dots at the top portion of the screen, and then select Settings. On the window, select General on the left pane, and then go to Language section. Here you can choose your preferred language you want for your Microsoft Teams. Save it, and restart to apply the change. And that's it. You have now changed the language in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.